Usually in a typical workshop where we usually run for a day, like 8 hours, we can finish the workshop in 2 hours with less preparation and just focus on the workshop. I'm managing the continuous improvement training for the whole organization. We have about 110 continuous improvement leaders in Xylem. Part of my role is to develop the training and also to teach and train the people, to certify, and to continuously coach and mentor them as they go through the process of learning. I started using Klaxoon with the intention we would maximize the opportunity of developing a more productive way of running a workshop for our continuous improvement program. Roughly around 70% of the time, continuous improvement teams struggle to perform continuous improvement workshop and training. Having a tool that will help us create this collaborative activity and improvements will really benefit our organization. We have a couple of whiteboards, but sometimes it's not enough. Then we need to put paper across the room just to have more space for all our idea. And then when we start with our process, people will write on a post-it, and we will try to manage all the information manually. So just imagine all the time we spent in creating and preparing all these things. In a typical training, I will spend probably about 2 to 3 hours just preparing all these things. But right now, we have all the templates available at Klaxoon. We have an unlimited space of whiteboard that we can use, and it will be there anytime we need, because most of our event will not be completed in one day. So it saves us space, it saves us time, and it really gives us a lot of opportunity to capture all the information well. About 70% of the time will spent well and reduced from the original time we need to cover the workshop before. The key benefits of using Klaxoon is really more on being productive in everything that we do